Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 GMC Terrain maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, up, down, left, right, and the check mark for enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car. Go ahead and start your car. Okay, give it a second. Go ahead and use your left or your right to go find this I button right here. You can see that. Now once you get here, go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, oil life percentage is at 62, but I'm gonna go show you reset it, and go ahead and press that check button. Okay, now are you sure you want to reset it? Scroll to yes and hit reset. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.